In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a navigation in Webflow. Let's start by getting into your workspace. Log into your Webflow account and head to your dashboard. From there, open the project where you want to add a navigation. Once the designer loads, you'll see your canvas in the center and your main tool panels on the left and right. The canvas is where you'll place and arrange elements, and the panels are where you'll find and customize them. On the left side, look for the Add panel. Click the plus icon to open it. This panel contains all the elements you can use. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Navbar. You'll see Webflow's built-in Navbar component appear. This component includes a brand area, a menu button for smaller screens, and a set of navigation links, so it gives you a solid starting point without having to build every piece from scratch. Click and drag the Navbar onto your canvas. Drop it at the top of your page so it sits where visitors naturally expect it. As soon as it's on the canvas, you'll see the default links and structure. The Navbar is responsive out of the box, so you'll also notice a menu icon that will automatically handle smaller screen sizes. That means the core behavior is already handled for you. You just need to tailor the content and look. Now with the navbar selected, move over to the panel on the right. This is where you configure and fine-tune things. Click on each navigation link to select it, then update its label to match your site sections, like Home or About. In the link settings on the right, choose where each button should go. You can point it to an existing page, a specific section on the current page using an anchor, or even an external URL. Keep your link names short and clear so visitors immediately understand where each one leads. While you're there, adjust the appearance to match your design. Use the right side controls to refine spacing, alignment, and typography, and set colors that fit your brand. If you want one link to stand out as a primary action, such as contact, make its style slightly more prominent while keeping it consistent with the rest of the navigation. As you adjust, keep an eye on the canvas to make sure everything remains tidy and readable. That's it. Your navigation is in place, clearly labeled, and configured to guide visitors exactly where they need to go.